Hi, everyone. Welcome in another episode of No Code Masters. Today, okay, admit it. Admit it. The video, the screen is sharp as a razor, and I'm proud of it because I need to manually change the settings of the focus in the camera. Whatever. Today, I'm going to cover a Microsoft 365 Copilot. However, please have in mind that what I'm going to show you today is not something that is already on the market, because currently Microsoft announced some things that are going to appear in next months, and currently they are testing on 20, I believe, 20 big customers from 500 top 500 companies. So they are testing some functionalities, features of the 365 Copilot, but right now it's not global available for everyone. However, it will appear in the next months, as I said. What I'm going to show you, though, is first of all the key concepts of the M365 Copilot, what it is, how it will work, and I also show you useful links under which you will find videos that actually I'm going to review with you today. Yes, because my idea for today's meeting is to actually watch a few couple videos about Copilot, and then share with you my personal reflection on it, because I think that it's super important to be conscious what the changes are going to be on the our everyday life work. I wanted to say our everyday work, but actually it will influence, it will affect our lives, how we work, how we actually organize our time, how we on which for types of tasks we are focusing. For instance, personally, I'm hiring a personal assistant. I call her a good ghost, someone who is like as a good ghost, like a Casper ghost. She's like every day she helps me organize my emails, my messages on LinkedIn, my tasks. She give me a lot of updates around different subjects, topics that appear every single day. And like what I'm going to show you, for instance, that because along with the Microsoft 365 Copilot, Microsoft will also announce also a product called Business Chat, or a Chat in Business, or something like that. Hold on, I'll quickly share you. Yeah, Business Chat. This is the name of it. Actually, I can share you my screen and show the article that I'm mentioning. I can also give you in a comment, link in a comment. Boom, here it goes. So let me present my screen. Screen number 2. Yeah, perfect. There it is. Yeah, as you can see, here Microsoft announced Business Chat. And what Business Chat can do, it can just like Business Chat to me is something that Cortana or Siri was about to be like 5 years ago. Whenever people thought about personal assistant, they actually thought about something that Business Chat will be. And how do I know that it will be for sure? How I'm that convinced in how the Business Chat will support us? Um, First of all, because of my own personal experience regarding working with GPT-4, and I'm going to show you some example how GPT-4 quality is, and moreover, I'll also cover um, the value proposition of the Microsoft regarding the for GPT. So check it here. So there is a video on the under the link I gave you, where actually you'll be able to like put a query like this: prepare me for my upcoming meeting. You wrote something like this, just simple sentence, and instantly Business Chat will give you all the details regarding your upcoming meeting, about stakeholders that will be on the meeting, about the project, what is about some additional information that you may also ask it for. Moreover, so basically, the things you can achieve using business chat will be things regarding your everyday work, but it will also know your context of your work, of your company information, of company data. Of course, Microsoft ensure us that the LLM, which is a large language model, I believe, let me just confirm it for 100%. Large language models. So this AI-powered LLM will not be trained on the our internal data. There is a specific sentence that declare that. So Copilot LLMs are not trained on your tenant data or your prompts, but still it will know your context. It will know what do you have in your organization, and it will be able to, using its own models, understand your data and propose you some information. One example of GPT-4 capabilities is actually something that I'm calling just by myself Bing GPT. But of course, it's not the official name. The functionality here, the on the Bing browser, on the Edge browser, on the right top corner, you have a Bing icon with the chat bubble, and there you have some 3 tabs, but actually 2 are functional. One is the chat, giving you chat capabilities. Another one is compose, and I'll quickly describe it in a second. And the third one is insights, that basically just tell you information about the Microsoft, about the insights of the GPT-4, etc., about the Copilot, blah blah blah. Right. So the functional from the end user perspective are only those 2. And well, to be fairly honest, I use it every day. To give you an example, yesterday I did a small demo, let's say a demo about GPT-4 capabilities. I'm going to show you that in a second as well. But at that time, I wanted to understand what is Amazon Sidewalk. I didn't know that. So I just typed Amazon Sidewalk. Actually, oops, not this shortcut. What is, oh my God, come on. What is Amazon Sidewalk? I hit enter, and instantly, okay, it's asked me to sign. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. One more time. What is Amazon Sidewalk? And instantly, this chat that is powered by GPT translate my, or rather just transform my question into the prompt and give me information, mixing different sources to give me the most reliable and quality information about what is the Amazon Sidewalk. So instead of looking in a Google, like, because in Google you will have a set of different results. Here you have everything mixed up together, of course with proper references, but still you have everything right on a plate, and on a silver plate, and you can actually already understand the general context, because in every of these sources there are too much information. You want these information to be properly aggregated and a little bit, processed. Normally you will do it in your head using your mind, but using your brain power. But here the AI does it for you. And so this is one example. Another example, and you can moreover get more relevant responses or drill down the specific topic. let's try something else. What are the I don't know. Okay, or maybe not. Let's change the type of question. So now let's ask about the earnings. So how much does the marketing specialist in where in UK, or maybe let's try France, earns? Okay, and marketing specialist salary France. Look, I didn't use proper word, but I still understand what I want to see. And boom, there are some results, hour rates, blah blah blah. Pretty nice. All right. So this chat is powered by GPT engine, by OpenAI to be specific. And but there was chat capabilities. Now let's check compose capabilities. So let's test. I would like to advertise Microsoft 365 Copilot to my customers from retail, or maybe from financial services industry. Emphasize, I don't know, benefits for the email, for the email correspondence, generally for a back office process, right? Correspondence. Perfect. Let's change tone to casual. Let's make it an email. Length, medium is okay. Generate draft. And this GPT-4 sourced magical thing will generate me some content. Let's give it a okay. It's run. It's running. Okay. Hold on. Hi there. Oh, come on. Okay, let's finish it. I can force the finish, but I'll let it finish by itself. Okay, perfect. So I hit generate, and it created the content like this. Hi there. I hope this email finds you well. I'm writing to you today to introduce you a new product that I think you'll love, Microsoft 365 Copilot. Microsoft blah blah smart assistant. Use artificial intelligence to analyze blah blah blah, clarity, politeness, blah blah blah. Okay, you can. Okay, and so you can write more professional and persuasive emails. Look at this. I gave it the specific context to remember, and it used it. It actually referred to that context. So more professional emails, save time and avoid errors by using pre-written template. I'm excited. I'm super excited. Why? Because actually here, it didn't use any kind of word that I wrote. So like the first bullet point, of course, there was an emails word that referred to something I already wrote. But the second bullet point totally did not use it. However, it still keeps the context. So yeah, that's why I love this tool. Yeah, okay. Customize your emails. You get feedback and insights on how to improve your email performance and engagement, blah, 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 blah. Compatible with Outlook, blah, 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 blah. Perfect. And also Calendly. Hey, yeah. Is Calendly acquired by Microsoft? I think no. But still, it recommend using calendly.com. Right now I'm curious whether it's a feature or a bug. But still, it looks honest and trustful to me. So like you won't know that if I'll send you this email, you won't know that it was generated fully by AI. Okay. Yeah. I could end this this webinar right now because like my mind is blown away. Let me show you the example I did yesterday for a workshop. So on the my LinkedIn account, I posted a comment in response of Tomasz Onyszko post. Tomasz Onyszko, great technical influencer. I recommend following him and checking his content. Nevertheless, Tom wrote about the topic that actually I don't know a thing about. He wrote about Amazon Sidewalk. I'm trying right now to find this post, but I cannot. It was somewhere. Okay, I'll quickly get to the Tomasz profile and check his activities. Oh yeah, there it is. Perfect. So this was the Tomasz post about Amazon Sidewalk, something blah blah blah. Some reflection, upsides, downsides of it, and I like on the during the webinar like this, but in my native language, Polish. I asked viewers about what kind of response they would like to give him, and we decided to respond to Tomasz post in a negative and skeptical way regarding Amazon Sidewalk future usability. We expressed concerns that IoT increased security issues and in current implementation of the protocol. And the post content is this, and we just paste the content of Tomasz post. We tried two different models, GPT 3.5 and the GPT 4. And I'll just show you the latter version because actually GPT-4 quality is much higher. So just check this out. Check this post. The post content referred to the content. The comment content refers to the original post content, and also includes my directions. So I was pretty satisfied. Of course, there was too many characters, so I just limited down to 200. I mean 1300, and I just pasted on Tomasz profile, and check this out. Tomasz didn't know that actually he didn't have any kind of clue. What the heck? What is this? Why should I? I should be logged in. Okay, because I just paste. Oh yeah, sure. No, there is my profile. Perfect. Check this out. There is my comment. 7 replies. This was my friendly troll. Hi, Alec. But still, there was a discussion. No one noticed. No one had a clue that it was like no suspicions overall that it was not made by me. So yeah, like discussion, blah blah blah, people discussing, Tomasz replying, people discussing. Wow, like isn't it awesome? But at the same time, a little bit scary because, like, imagine now people will be able to, like just take a a helicopter view on this situation. So Tomasz did some reflections on Amazon Sidewalk. I totally don't understand the product. So I just did a troll comment using GPT-4 in around 1 minute or two. And there, it started a discussion between professionals who have a deep understand of a topic, and they started to discussing using their knowledge. It definitely, writing these comments probably didn't take them a minute, but much more than a minute. So I engaged them into the discussion that cost me 2 minutes, and they waste for these troll discussion for like a half an hour or something like that, or maybe more. And also they needed to have a proper experience, build it along the professional career. So, like, of course, this was fun, but just imagine that someone will troll for serious. Yeah, it is a bit scary, but nevertheless, because like with the AI, to me, it will be like with a dynamite. The dynamite gives us a lot of opportunities, but a lot of flaws as well, a lot of threats. And the same will be with AI. It gives us a lot of opportunities, but at the same time, it brings a lot of threats on the table. And but let's focus on the awesomeness of it. Let me explain why I think that AI will be a great game changer to me. So actually, let's see a couple examples from Microsoft, from their demos. There is a cool website. This one, I'll paste it. I'll paste it in the chat. Hi, Gosha. Yeah, uh, yeah. So I bet you're referring to commanding in the Thomas content. Yeah, to be honest, uh, I, I mean, my morality forced me to stop it, because like I don't want to just play with the Tomasz, uh, since I like Tomasz and I don't want to waste his time and play with, I mean, make fun of him and waste his time on the sake of my own amusement. So like, you can continue it if your morality allows you to do that, but maybe if that wasn't be a Tomasz, maybe if there was someone who I don't know or maybe I don't like, then of course I will continue that. Right now, some scary thing appears in my mind, and maybe I can create some troll account and just automate it to spare troll comments among the different profiles that I don't like, which is a horrible idea. You are a very bad person right now to give me such ideas. Or was it my thought? Never mind. Yes. Nevertheless, all right. So let's check what are the capabilities of Copilot. Because so what will be the Copilot? Copilot will be an AI assistant for all of your Microsoft 365 products. It will be implemented, integrated with Word, with Excel, with PowerPoint, with Power Platform as well. So let's check out how it will behave in Word. So in Word, and there is an animation, you'll be able to start creating content by giving some draft and additional notes from different sources, and you hit enter and it create a content. So you can, for instance, create a technical specification based on, or maybe an offer based on your offer template, and with the proper, okay, it's scary because then it will just um, uh, it will just alternate my own work. It will alter my own work. I don't know if but if that's possible, wow, it just gives so much benefits to the people who will be able, who know how to use, and in the first place they will actually be aware of the capabilities of a Copilot. But then if they will pay for it, because we already know that there will be some pricing model for a Copilot, but we don't know the details yet. But we know that it will be somehow priced. So people who will use Copilot, they will have so much, you know, like it will be much easier for them. The advantage will be tremendous. Yeah. Nevertheless, okay, let's check what it can do with the Excel. So I can just type a question, analyze this quarter business results, and summarize key results. And okay, key trends. Enter, and okay, there it is. There it was. It disappeared, but it will appear in a second again, and I'll pause it in a right moment. Oops. Yeah. Oop. Why it disappeared? Okay. Okay. My bad, but nevertheless, it gave proper answers, I believe. Oop. No, whenever I click it, it disappeared. Okay, maybe I'll just take a screenshot. No. Because when I click it, it just restart. Nice one. Yeah, but nevertheless, okay, key trends. It find out key trends. I don't know if the key trends are correct, and what is the error rate or some error prone for of this AI analysis, but still it's much easier, I believe, for a senior or a higher manager to to check the work of a AI than to do it from scratch. And in Copilot and in a PowerPoint, Copilot will help you with creating a 5-slide presentation. Actually, much better idea was on the video of on the first source. So I'll quickly switch to the first tab in a second. But let's finish this animation. Yeah, so I just tell it to create some. But yeah, I don't like this example. Check this out. On this example, hold on, where is the video? Oh, here it is. Yeah, so there is an example for Word, and yeah, there is for PowerPoint. So look at this. You type a prompt like create a 10-slide presentation from the press release, generating blah blah blah. Boom. Nice. I love it. I really love it. It's like because currently nowadays I'm using this idea designer. There is like let's say we thought that it is an AI powered, but actually now we know that it didn't even it's next to not an AI, but still I use it a lot just to generate some cool templates for my content. Whenever, for instance, I don't know, maybe just type coffee break, it proposes proper icon identification or even animation, right? So it understands what I wrote, but still, like, I cannot create the whole presentation based on some prompts. I was able to just configure specific separate slides, but via Copilot, F me. Yeah. So how do you feel? How do you feel about the Copilot? Because I'm super excited. Oh, the Outlook integration, it allows you what I already told you at the beginning, to create a summary for the incoming meeting, or create a template for the email, or create a draft for the response. There will be also Copilot in Teams. What it can do: summarize what I missed in the meeting, create a table of pros and cons of for the specific topic, and what decisions were made. And oh my god! So okay, so I'm just now right now curious. How will our work look like? What will change in the nearest future? Actually, it's not 10 years ahead. It's just next 1 month. What will change? How will affect how it will affect our work? I have no idea. I'm a bit scared and excited at the same time to think and imagine what will be different, how it affect my work, how it changed the way I'm aggregating prospects. Like, yeah, I can just, it will be my real personal assistant, and I will pay any price for it, I believe. Yeah, that's me. Okay, it's pretty funny to be alone when there's no one in chat besides Gosha, but you disappeared, or you are there but you're just not saying anything in chat. So since I'm alone, since these webinars are not that popular, since I'm doing this for myself, yeah, why not? I mean, well, I can do nothing with it for now. So it was a pleasure to show you. Oh yeah, perfect. Hi, Angelica. So it was pleasure for me to have you, and let me know what do you think about the ChatGPT in the comments. And well, yeah. Oh yeah. Hi, Gosha. Great, you're still there. Anyway, let me know what you think about it in the comments. And if you're first time in this channel, which is still evolving, remember about giving a thumbs up and this alarm icon, bell icon, you name it. So yeah, thank you very much for today. Have a great time, and wait for the Copilot, yeah, to see how it will affect our future. Thank you. Have a great day. See ya.